Hey, hon. On our way to the Atlantis.
Concert and not on load it. Zanin sa kanpa. Aben do the Bygones and during Washington DC kan local and here.
The next song we're going to do is a love song for a cat.
All types.
All types of love here. Leaves on the vine, taking my time, there's no reason to want time to pass. I want this to last, my dear. Nearly a year, wearing your heart on your sleeve. There's so much to know, places to go on your way. Lucy, you're the sun that sneaks through the door. You're all that and more. If you only knew how much I love you. I give you my heart, you give me a scar to remind me. As long as I'm home, I'm never alone, Lucy. Sneaks through the door. You're all that and more. If you only knew how much I love you. I give you my heart, you give me a scar to remind me that even though our clocks keep different times, you'll never know how hard I tried to give you my all, but you ignore my calls, Lucy. There's snow on the ground and Santa's making his rounds, but even with the tulips in May, it's Christmas every day when I'm I'm with you. And I don't see how, people always allow the magic of Christmas to last for a day. But it's Christmas every day when I'm with you. Oh, the twinkling lights on the tree don't compare to what I see every time that I look in your eyes. Oh, the weather may be cold and his tale is as old as time, but tell me again. And I don't see how some people only allow the magic of Christmas to last for a day. But it's Christmas every day when I'm with you.
There's Allison plays a piano solo in the original version.
Imagine me playing the piano here.
And now I'm smiling thinking about it, which means whistling is absolutely out of the question. Yeah, sure.
Oh, the twinkling lights on the tree don't compare to what I see every time that I look in your eyes. Oh, the weather may be cold and this tale is as old as time, but tell me again. And I don't see how some people only allow the magic of Christmas to stay. But it's Christmas every day. Oh, it's Christmas every day. Oh, it's Christmas every day when I'm with you.
It's the part of you that's all an oil painting on the street in 2020. Someone a big old name. You carried it home 2 miles, insisting that we hang it. I'll be damned, it kinda makes my day. It's whatever that is. It's every part of you that makes me keep falling in love. Whatever that is, don't have to name it, 'cause it changes as we grow. Now look at the both of us. Look at the both of us. It's the part of you that gets a flush when you know I'm wrong, like I usually am. Cold-hearted and close-minded. You don't get angry, but you don't back down. Do you know I've heard every word, and I grow a little kinder. It's whatever that is. It's every part of you that makes me keep falling in love. Whatever that is, don't have to name it, 'cause it changes as we grow. Now look at the both of us. Look at the both of us. It's the part of me that now believes that I've made at least one good decision in learning to see whatever that is. Every part of you that makes me keep falling in love. Whatever that is, don't have to name it, 'cause it changes as we grow. Now look at the both of us. Whatever that is, every part of you that makes me keep falling in love. Whatever that is, don't have to name it, 'cause it changes as we grow. Now look at the both of us. Look at the both of us. If I could lock up your words and save them for a rainy day, what would you say when the rain comes tumbling down? You'd pull the sun right out of the clouds. Would be grand when I'm somewhere without you.
seen the movie Cool Hand Luke. We have never seen the movie Cool Hand Luke. But this is a song from the movie Cool Hand Luke. Jesus sitting on the dashboard of my car. You know the words sing? Going 90, it ain't scary, cause I got the Virgin Mary sitting on the dashboard of my car. I'm in the backseat sitting, Jesus up there grinning, sitting on the dashboard of my car. Green, white, pink or yellow, I don't care, cause he's my fellow, sitting on the dashboard of my car. Plastic Jesus sitting on the dashboard of my car. Going 90, it ain't scary, cause I got the Virgin Mary sitting on the dashboard of my car. I'm in the backseat sitting, Jesus up there grinning, sitting on the dashboard of my car. Green, white, pink or yellow, green, white, pink or yellow, I don't care, cause he's my fellow, sitting on the dashboard of my car. Sitting on the dashboard of my car. Driving on 6 hours sleep, drowning 5 cups of coffee, only 4 hours to go, but I was wishing it were 3, so I can get to see the one that makes me feel so lucky to be always counting down till I can hold you again. I feel like I've been kissing the telephone every single night. I sleep alone with a U-shaped hole inside my chest, but tonight I get to see the one that I love the best. Driving on 6 hours sleep, I'm down in 5 cups of coffee, only 4 hours to go, but I was wishing it were 3, so I can get to see the one that makes me feel so lucky to be always counting down till I can hold you again.
And I'm too old.
He's too old for sleeping in a bed.
I've been reiterating this point.
He's been saying,
Yet here I am, well my back is tired and my heart is too, but I'm one more exit sign away from coming home to you. Driving on
6 hours sleep, I'm down in 5 cups of coffee, only 4 hours to go, but I was wishing it were 3, so I can get to see the one that makes me feel so lucky to be always counting down till I can hold you again. Driving on 6 hours sleep, 5 cups of coffee, 4 hours to go, wishing it were 3, so I can get to see the one that makes me feel so lucky to be always counting down till I can hold you again. Driving on 6 hours sleep, I'm down in 5 cups of coffee, only 4 hours to go, but I was wishing it were 3, so I can get to see the one that makes me feel so lucky to be always counting down till I can hold you again. Then they started to put rouge on
shorter skirts. This song's kind of just about that fashion trend and how a lady used it. It's called Sadie with the rouge on her knees. Okay.
call.